Ona thutha wa ruhonge rwa Borithi kuga maobithaa othe ni maribeaga mbathirira ya mbeca cia nyumba cia gwikara bakubi na kuria mundu arutagira wira, Minister wa ugitiri wa nathini Fred Matiang'i oigite ni kuri na bonge ingi cia mwanya cia ugitiri irabatara gwikara bamwe nyundu wa motungata ma mwanya maria mendikaga na ibenya thirikari-ini.
That police officers who provide certain critical services, such as the teams that we have now taking care of Central Bank, which is a critical installation, as it were, a critical infrastructure for that matter, will have to be housed in a particular way, as it were, and that does not take away their right, in terms of what allowances they will get, and the details of that and how they will be treated in terms of that particular part of their remuneration will be handled by the Inspector General and the National Police Service.
Undu uyu uria ukite thutha wa bengi nene ya bururi kuga ni gwakira maobithaa a borithi nyumba cia kiiriu niguo kumaiganania na arangiri aria mangi ma bengi nene thi yothe thiini wa Waki uyu uria ugayanitio maita mathatu gicunji kia mbere kia Waki gitanyitwo kwambiriria kiambiririo-ini kia mwaka ukite.
What we know is we have 200 million in our budget that will cover the design work and all the other things, and indeed the initial start of the construction.
No ona gukiri uguo murugamiriri wa borithi ni ameriire ati ona gutwika nyumba icio ni igwako uguti kuga ati ni megutinio mbeca iria mabeto cia nyumba ni thirikari, kuona ino ni njira imwe ya kuiyukia wira uria makoretwo makirutira mwingi undu umwe na ciungano na wabici cia kithirikari.
It also signals to the country at large that we in the police are prepared and are ready to work together with, for instance, in this regard, the bank, in deepening our collaboration together.
They deserve to live better and live in good conditions and wake up in the morning with a sense of esteem that they're being treated fairly so that they can work and deliver to our expectations as we work.
Kuringana na mubango uyu maobithaa aria meguteithika ni bamwe na aria maikaraga kambini ya industrial area na Ngongu aria marikoragwo na mweke wa o mundu gukorwo na nyumba yake, kibaro gia kuthakira mubira, kundu gwa kwithambira, nduka na mukawa gatagatai-ini ka motungata mangi niguo kumabotithia gutungatira mwingi na njira igwete. Waki wa nyumba cia maobithaa a borithi uria gukorwo kiambiriria ici ikubi ni bengi nene ya kibururi ni kionereria ati bengi no ni nyitite itemi bari gukinyaniria cioneki nene cia githirikari. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, njitagwo Masi wa Dia wa Muriithi.